So, where are you from?
Where are from?
Yes,
I'm from Edo State.
Edo State. Okay, interesting. So, what is your name?
My name?
Yes, your name.
My name na Ovuvuev.
Pardon? Come again. I mean, what is your name? Your name.
My name I call for you now.
Call it again. Spell them.
I don't fit spell am.
What be your name? I don't spell them.
You know say we no go school now. If you fit help me spell am.
Okay. I call again. I help you spell them. Jesus. How was they spell for you? That was not from.
It's not very simple now.
But where was that from?
Why they cry now?
Come on again.
I know they make you cry.
Come on again.
How many times I'll call the name for you?
The
person spell am before say it very easy.
Leave my camera.